chocolate chip cookies and ice cream. Let's bring it together in an ice cream sandwich. Mwah! Hey, I'm Ali Carr, and this is Serve It. We are gonna whip up our vanilla ice cream all right here in the dash. The night before you make your ice cream, pop the mixing bowl into the freezer. All you're using are 4 simple ingredients to make your ice cream. Half a cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. Mix that up into the microwave, just about 30 seconds. Voila! We're gonna add that to our 1 cup of heavy cream. Tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, we've got our liquid all mixed up. We're gonna pop this in the refrigerator, let it get cold. Okay, let's grab our ice cream mixture. Our mixing bowl. Get it turning or churning. We're gonna go ahead and add our milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla mixture. While this is mixing, we're just gonna set our little dash aside. I'm gonna show you how we make our Carr famous chocolate chip cookies. This recipe, my husband and I created for our wedding, and we made chocolate chip cookies as our wedding favor. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my KitchenAid mixer. We're gonna pop our oven on to 375 degrees. You wanna make sure all of your ingredients are at room temperature, including the butter and the egg. In goes our butter. I like to give that just a little whip. Then we're gonna add an egg, a splash of vanilla. Let's add our white sugar, salt and baking soda, brown sugar. Okay, so we've incorporated all of our ingredients except for the flour. Because we whipped the butter, you see how this base, it's almost like fluffy and whipped? That's gonna be a good chocolate chip cookie. All right, we're gonna slowly add our flour. Do like a half a cup or so at a time. Go ahead and give my bowl a good little scrape. Let's add these chocolate chips. Look at all those chocolate chips. Okay, we're just gonna stir this really gently. Let's put these on a cookie sheet. We're gonna pop these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Ah, perfect chocolate chip cookies. Okay, it's been about 45 to 55 minutes. So at this point, we're gonna go ahead, turn off our dash mixer. You ready for this? Oh yeah. Look at that. So I've taken just the standard cookie sheet, covered it with wax paper. Ooh, I think we should taste test. It is so creamy, and you can really taste the vanilla. We are gonna scrape out our ice cream. Then we're just gonna go ahead and smooth it. Okay, to really solidify this, we're gonna pop it back in the freezer for about 2 hours. Our cookies are cooled and ready to go, and I've gathered some additional toppings. We're gonna be using rainbow sprinkles and mini chocolate chips to finish off our chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. Okay, once your ice cream is frozen, we're gonna take our cookie. I've already eaten 2. Yeah. We're gonna spread our ice cream on our cookies. Now that's what I'm talking about. And then in to the rainbow sprinkles. Thanks for watching this episode of Serve It, as we combine 2 of my favorite desserts, the famous Carr chocolate chip cookie with homemade ice cream. So you not only have a delicious treat for your friends and family, but also for your taste buds. Let's dive in. Oh, so good.